Hello all, my name is Milena Pajic and thank you for watching my course Business Analysis Techniques, Eliciting Information and Collaborating with Stakeholders. I am a Master of Computer Science, PMP and CBEP, Professional Scrum Master and a Kanban Evangelist. This course aims to help you comprehend the applicability of techniques in the context of the elicitation and collaboration knowledge area and prepare you for the CBEP certification exam. Plus, you can earn Professional Development Units (PDUs) and Continuing Development Units (CDUs) by completing this course. The main topics include 9 tasks of the knowledge area: data mining, collaborative games, interviews, survey or questionnaire, focus groups, observation, document analysis, workshops, and mind mapping. Besides having these techniques covered in detail, the course lists all of the other techniques used for the task. However, these techniques can be used and implemented throughout the development of services and products, independently of business analysis as a professional field. They are widely applicable and therefore, the course is beneficial for a variety of business professionals. Embrace the opportunity to expand your skill set.